Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Patriot front bumper. First, let's prepare. You will need a 7mm socket, a T20 Torx bit, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim clip remover. Make sure your Jeep is on a flat surface and the engine is off. Pop the hood to get to the top screws. Taking your time will prevent damage to any of the many clips and screws. Next, we'll tackle the fender liners and grille. In each front wheel well, remove the 3 7mm screws. Gently pull back the fender liner to expose a hidden screw on each side, which also needs to be removed. Then, move to the top of the bumper. You'll find 7 T20 Torx head screws across the grille that need to be unfastened. Keep all these fasteners organized. Now, let's release the main bumper attachments and electrical connections. Under the hood, at the corners where the bumper meets the fenders, remove the two 10mm bolts. Look underneath the bumper and remove the 2 pushpin clips. Finally, and very importantly, disconnect the electrical connectors for your fog lights and marker lights. Press the small tab on each connector and gently pull to avoid damaging the wires. With all fasteners and electrical connections free, the bumper is ready for removal. Gently pull the bumper cover straight forward from the vehicle. You may need to pull outward slightly from the sides to release any final clips. Once loose, carefully lift the bumper away. Place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. When reinstalling, ensure all tabs and clips align perfectly for a snug and secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.